lesson 39, please go ahead and make sure on your math meeting worksheet you have lesson 39 written down. I'd also like you to turn your paper to the side, and I would like you to write November 3rd, 2020. Today is a special day because it is election day. It's the time once every 4 years that we vote and we elect a president for us. And our presidents get 2 terms in office, which means 2 sets of 4 years is what they are allowed to have. So today we will find out which gentleman will be the president of the United States come January. So today we're on lesson 39. It is November 3rd, 2020. Today for the time, I actually want you to write a specific time down for me. I would like you to write down 11:30. 11:30. I'm going to write 11:30 down right here so that you can see. Not as much room as the previous, especially because you already have this filled in, hopefully. This should have been all filled in. If it's not filled in, that means you did not follow directions from yesterday. Please make sure that that does get done if it is not. 11:30. Remember, that means my hour is 11. And if it's half past, it's 30 minutes past the hour. 11:30. Today, this is our money. We have 1 dime and 3 pennies. Remember, please, that our dimes are worth 10 cents and our pennies are worth 1 cent. So, 10. Oh, that's all we've got. So now we need to count by 1, starting at 10. 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 cents. Please make sure that you do have a cent sign. It is really, really important. We are going to start today at the number 172, and we are counting by ones. So please make sure that you have 172 on your paper. And we're going to do a few of these together, and you're going to finish them up for me. What comes after 172? 173. 174. You should be saying these with me as you're writing them down because it will help you to get better at how to say them and how to write them. You'll be able to see and identify the numbers that you're saying. 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181. So we started at 172 and we ended at 181. You're going to do this second row. It starts with 182. That's what comes after 181 is 182. So you're going to go ahead and make sure that you start with 182, and you are responsible, first grade, for finishing this whole second row. 183 and so on. I'm going to give you just a second to go ahead and fill in as many of those as you can before we continue this morning. The rest of that line, we're going to go ahead and continue on. And for that today, you will need to flip it to the back side. Yesterday, we started by doing a little bit of pattern. And today, our pattern is going to look a little different. I want you to have Tuesday pattern right here. You can even abbreviate Tuesday with a capital T. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then we have some spaces. And so we need to figure out what our pattern is today. Well, as you can see, our pattern is actually counting by 5s. Counting by 5s. So we need to go ahead and continue counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You should be having this written down. Put a comma. 30, comma. 35, comma. 40, comma. 45, comma. And 50. We definitely were counting by 5s. That was our pattern today. And then we have 1, 9, and 10. We have the numbers 1, 9, and 10 today. We need to make our adding and subtracting fact families. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And then what about subtraction? Remember, we need to start with our biggest number, that's 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. And 10 minus 1 equals 9. Thanks for going ahead and doing that with me. I'll make sure that you have a chance here to go ahead and finish writing that up. Taisha has an apple, 2 oranges, 3 crackers, and 2 napkins in a bag. How many things that are in that bag can she eat? Well, we just heard that she has an apple. We also just heard that she has 2 oranges. We heard that she has 3 crackers. And 2 napkins. Can she eat the napkins? No, she can't eat the napkins. So how many things in that bag can she eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we would say that there are 6 things that she can eat. We don't do anything except for things for our label because everything is different. We don't want to say 6 things that include 1 apple, 2 oranges, and 3 crackers, right? That would be a lot. We can't say 6 crackers because it wasn't all crackers. So we say 6 things because it asked us how many things in the bag can she eat. All right, my friends. Thank you for working really hard with me today. Just like yesterday, go ahead and practice those odd numbers and those even numbers. If you wanted to even work harder, you turn back to that front side of your paper and you can go ahead and circle your odd numbers, put a triangle around your even numbers to really give you that practice with that. Also work on your counting by tens. That will be really super helpful for you as well as we continue working with money. When you're done with this for today and you've made sure that all this is filled in and you've filled in the things on the back side, then you need to go ahead please and put this in your red math folder so you're ready for Wednesday.